Hey language enthusiasts, you are welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are going to learn the correct pronunciation of the word leaning. Stick around as we will explore its phonetic transcription, meaning, usage in sentences, word stress, and phonetic pronunciation. If you are new to our YouTube channel, please subscribe by pressing the bell icon. Let's kick off with the phonetic transcription, leaning. 2 syllables. Now, let's uncover the meaning behind this term. You can see the phonetic transcription of leaning on your screen. N. What is the meaning of the word leaning? Let's discuss. Leaning is a gerund form that expresses the action of inclining or tilting. It's often used in contexts related to physical posture or metaphorically in decision making. Come on, let's see its usage in sentences. To see it in action, consider this sentence. She was leaning against the doorframe, deep in thought. Here, leaning describes her physical posture and suggests contemplation. It is very pertinent to know the word stress as well because word stress is crucial for natural pronunciation. In leaning, the stress falls on the first syllable. Say it with me, leaning. Leaning is a 2-syllable word with stress on the first syllable, meaning the action of inclining or tilting. Practice saying it confidently.
Leaning. 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 Leaning.
This video is about how to correctly pronounce leaning. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more language tips, and share in the comments which words you'd like us to cover next. Keep honing those pronunciation skills, and until next time, happy learning.